Hello, I'm Tim Lampley. Coming up February 21, middleweight sensation Gennady Golovkin will be looking for his 19th consecutive knockout and trying to preserve his unbeaten record against England's sturdy, hard-punching Martin Murray. To help you get ready for Golovkin versus Murray, let's take a look now at Gennady Golovkin's greatest hits.
September 2012, Golovkin made his American debut, taking on Polish southpaw Grzegorz Bruksa. Golovkin wasted no time attacking.
Right hand from Golovkin, and Bruksa gets hurt. Down he goes. First time in his career he's been down. Oh, good left hand to the body and left to the head. Down goes Bruksa.
Yeah, I think the body shot started that exchange. The body shots hurt him and got him started. Then he tried to exchange with a big punch. You can't do that.
Golovkin just places the punches so well. Bruksa's in trouble again.
It's the combination of the heavy hands with the technique. So rarely do you see that in a fighter.
Bruksa never stopped throwing back, but he had no answers for the power of Golovkin in round 5.
Oh, right hand hurt Bruksa. Golovkin steps in and down he goes again.
There is a monster in the middleweight division, and he said he'd fight anyone.
January 2013. A showdown with Philadelphia's Gabriel Rosado was nearly called off as a fight-week flu bug struck Golovkin. But the fight went on, and Golovkin's jab quickly made an impact in round 2.
Blood on the left eye of Rosado.
Coming up from 154 pounds, Rosado was able to connect.
Oh, good right hand from Rosado. Mouse under the left eye of Golovkin.
But the power of Golovkin began to wear down his challenger.
There's a right hand from Golovkin, steps in with a left, digs in with a power jab again, and rocks back Rosado. Rosado on his heels. Oh, good right hand on the uppercut, rock back Rosado.
That cut is pumping out blood right now.
Wow, what a shot right to the mouth. Blood just everywhere. Now Golovkin putting his power punches together. The corner of Rosado stopping it. They throw in a towel. So Gennady Golovkin gets win number 25 in 22nd stoppage.
June 2013. 3 months after knocking out Nobuhiro Ishida, Golovkin faced middleweight contender Matthew Macklin. Macklin was thought to be Golovkin's toughest test to date, but Golovkin was unfazed.
Golovkin stalking Macklin now, cutting off the ring and trapping Macklin in the corner. Knocked Macklin into the ropes with a left hook. Right hand landed, left hand moved Macklin's head.
That left hook to the body was devastating.
Oh, that right hand to the body was vicious by Golovkin. Now Macklin gets in a right hand and momentarily drives Golovkin back. Body shot by Golovkin. Uppercut landed between Macklin's guard. Macklin with the guts of a burglar fires a big left hook and lands it. Body shot puts Macklin down. May not be able to get up from this. And that'll be the 14th consecutive knockout for Gennady Golovkin. It comes in the 3rd round.
Set him up with the right uppercut because he really wanted the big left hook to the body. Landed right on the money. And you don't recover from that in 10 seconds.
What we just saw was not ordinary, it was extraordinary. That kind of punching power.
November 2013. A matchup with fellow knockout artist Curtis Stevens had all the makings of a firefight, and Golovkin attacked early.
Good right hand by Golovkin.
Good left hook by Golovkin. And down goes Stevens. Cossack Thunder in round number 2. And the look on Stevens' face there says 1,000 words. That was a face that said, wow.
Withstanding the early knockdown, Stevens fought back, testing Golovkin's defense.
Now Stevens erupts with 2 good clean shots and knocks Golovkin back and lands a left hook and brings some excitement to the Brooklyn fans in the crowd.
You gotta stay busy, don't let him back into this, all right? No free shots out there.
Big left hook by Stevens. Momentarily wobbled Golovkin. Now Golovkin with a body shot and a right cross and momentarily hurt Stevens.
By the middle rounds, Golovkin began wearing down the brave Stevens with relentless power shots to the body and the head.
Really hard body shot by Golovkin, and Stevens backs up into the ropes again. Now right hand body shot.
Stevens with a counter left hook to try to relieve the pressure.
Breaking it down now, Jim.
Hard right hand body shot. Uppercut. Stevens is taking some brutal abuse here in the 8th round. Big right cross by Golovkin. Whipping Curtis Stevens into the corner. And they're going to stop it in the corner. Golovkin closed the show, landing 56 of 101 power shots in that round. July 2014. Top 5 middleweight Daniel Geale was thought to be one of Golovkin's stiffest tests. But the Kazakh champion went straight at the Australian challenger. And there's the footwork. Geale trying to slip away to the right. Golovkin traps him against the ropes, then pressures him into the corner, bangs him with a huge right hand. And Golovkin is going to work. Body shot, hard right hand upstairs. Down goes Geale, first knockdown of the fight in the 2nd round.
Right hand hit him, slid across the back of his head, causing the knockdown.
Geale's pure boxing ability was neutralized as Golovkin cut off the ring with precision.
Golovkin, it seems, having tasted Geale's power, has decided that Geale doesn't have a lot for him and is walking him down.
Trapping Geale against the ropes, cornering him, and hammering him like that body shot. Down goes Geale again on a brilliant right hand.
He's in bad trouble, Jim.
Geale trying to get his head together, and Geale can't go forward, and it's a 3rd round knockout for Golovkin.
Geale clips him with a nice little right hand, but that's a bazooka that Golovkin is throwing.
And that was coming off of getting hit flush by a Geale right hand. Extraordinary. As is just about everything he does. October 2014. Golovkin met veteran Mexican warrior Marco Antonio Rubio in front of a sold-out outdoor crowd in Carson, California, in his American West Coast debut, dubbed Mexican Style.
He talks not only of his Mexican style, Golovkin, but of his predator instinct, and you can see it there. He's always looking to attack and to hurt.
Golovkin kept up the attack, and Rubio quickly became the latest victim of the Kazakh destroyer. Hard uppercut by Golovkin, momentarily wobbled Rubio. Now he's got him pinned against the ropes. Predator at work. Down goes Rubio. 2nd round knockout. It was only a matter of time. It's always just a matter of time. To see more of Gennady Triple G Golovkin, tune in to HBO Boxing.
Alt, 1,78 Meter groß, 72,5 Kilogramm schwer und Profi seit Mai 2006. Sein Rekord als Profi: 9 Kämpfe, 9 Siege, davon 8 durch K.O. Als Amateur war er Junior-Weltmeister, Weltmeister 2003 und Silbermedaillengewinner bei der Olympiade 2004. In seiner Ecke Volker Grill, Arthur Gorigan und sein Trainer Magomed Shapovalov. Aus Hamburg aus dem Frontline-Boxing-Team Gennady Golovkin. Gering und Punktgesieg des Kampfes Iko Bebic. Punktrichter Frank Michael Maas und Jörg Willensee.
Okay.
Okay, listen to my orders. When I say stop, stop fighting. When I say break, step back, both of you. Shake gloves and good luck. What you had? Box.
Gennadий.
Ja.
Und hier, meine Damen und Herren, das offizielle Urteil. Hier durch K.O. der nächsten Runde nach 2 Minuten und 4 Sekunden aus dem Vorteilboxen-Team Gennadий Головкин. Und wir sind